got, Pop? What you got for me? Show me the merchandise, yo. Just show me the merchandise.
Saturday night, fever type music type shit.
I ain't copping that if I can't see it first.
Disco fever type vibe.
Fuck
Yeah.
that shit, yo.
What do you like? Knocking out beats, rocking the mic. If you wanted to fight, hit them with the left, then again with the right. It's a Saturday night. Prove it on the dance floor, move it, fluid. Show and prove who the true is. Armstrong like Lewis. You dig? Doing it big. Puffing on a Cuban, a light in a cig. That's the life that we live. Lighten up, kid. Tell me why you stiff and you're biting your lip. Put 'em up, put 'em up. Tell me what you like, motherfucker. Put 'em up, put 'em up. And if you don't like nothing, shut the fuck up. What you into? Getting hot, sipping wine, steady flipping rhymes. What you into? Getting down, dancing to a tune, all in the crowd. What you into? Getting laid, hitting dames, steady getting paid. What you into? Making love with my woman, with my maker come, and all the above. What is your taste? Want it in powder, do you want it in paste? If you want, you can base. Sniff it up till you can't feel your face. I don't judge. Tell me, what do you love? Is it the drugs or the spirits you chug? If your passion is lust, don't give it up. Steady dicking up a chick in a butt in the back of the club. Rub-a-dub-dub-dub in a hot tub with a bottle of bub. Models and sluts, they gobble and glut. They can't pretend they came to swallow and suck. Put 'em up, put 'em up. Yo, tell me what you love, motherfucker.